Thank you for tuning in to another video in the Master Plan Home series. My name is Jackie, and today I have Evan from Pittsburgh Central Vac.
Thank you for having me this morning, Jackie.
Absolutely. So tell me what exactly a central vacuum system is.
So a central vacuum is a through-the-wall vacuum that's built into the home. It consists of a series of inlet valves that have a hose installed inside of them, and then there's a vacuum unit in the garage or in the basement.
Wow, that sounds really convenient.
It is. Instead of with a normal vacuum where you have to lug around a heavy machine that's smelly and dirty, the central vac, all the dirt you pick up is carried outside of the living environment, and it allows you to clean not only carpeting, but you can also do bare flooring, upholstery, crown molding. Really any surface in the home can be vacuumed easily and also very quietly.
Evan, so one of my biggest pet peeves with a traditional vacuum is the bulkiness of it and getting under those tight spaces such as a couch where pet hair can collect, different areas of the home where it's really hard for the traditional vacuum to reach. You know, they can potentially damage furniture. So what does the central vac system have to offer versus that traditional vacuum?
So with your central vacuum system, you get our standard attachment kit, which gives you everything you need to clean your normal home. There's a power brush for cleaning carpeting and area rugs, a really great bare floor tool with all horsehair bristles so it won't scratch your bare flooring. You can also use it to dust walls or wallpaper. The other great thing is you get a upholstery brush, which allows you to clean couches, draperies, carpeted stairs, any type of a soft fabric. And there's also a dusting brush that safely cleans crown molding, furniture, mini blinds, any type of a hard surface that dust would normally collect on. There's also a crevice tool which allows you to go underneath really low furniture. It's only about 1 inch wide, so you can get underneath and down the couch cushions, underneath appliances. It allows you to get in all those places that a normal vacuum can't reach. Besides just reaching what's on the floor, there's also an adjustable extension wand that allows you to reach up high so you can get to your crown molding or the tops of draperies and a lot of those hard to reach places. But if you have a moment, I can show you what all is included with the central vacuum system.